What's up, guys? I am here in the forest next to my house, and I am going to be doing some gardening today. We are stuck in lockdown. I don't know if you can tell, but my beard is getting crazy, and so is my hair. I can't get a haircut because we are not allowed to leave the house. But because I live in the countryside, I can go out in my garden a lot, and I really want to do some gardening because I've never really looked after my garden. My garden's a bit of a mess, and that's my fault. So, over the next few months, I'm going to be doing loads of gardening, and I want to show you what you can do in your garden and some of the useful words that go into talking about gardening. So, without further ado, let's go! Epic English Corner! Epic English Corner! Alright, everybody, what is this? I want you to tell me what I'm sitting on. It's a lawnmower, of course. So you use it to mow the lawn. Mowing the lawn. I cut the grass with a lawnmower. Another way of saying this is I am mowing the lawn. Got it? Good. Alright, now I'm doing something different. I'm about to use this gardening fork. This is a gardening fork. To dig up some weeds. Now, we call this weeding. So you can see I'm using the gardening fork to weed the plants. Weeding the plants. So we say, I use the garden fork to dig up the weeds. What do you think? Did I do a good job? Here, my mum is watering the plants. So these are some strawberry plants that she's watering, and she's using the hose to water them. And now she's watering some more plants, but this time she's using... Do you know what this is? It's a watering can. I'm tired now. I'm gonna go back inside. Remember to use these English words next time you're in the garden. See you next week, guys. See you soon.